The Earth is losing mass little by little every year. To be precise, about 100,000 tons. Some of the largest container ships have a maximum weight of around 100,000 tons. So, it's like Earth losing an ultra-large container vessel to space every year. It's also comparable to a fully armed Nimitz-class aircraft carrier evaporating into thin air. So, what causes Earth to lose mass? Mainly, it's the light gases like hydrogen and helium in the atmosphere. They escape Earth's gravity and drift into space. Solar wind and Earth's magnetic field play a role too, especially near the polar regions where this phenomenon is more noticeable. Each year, about 96,600 tons of atmosphere is lost. Additionally, human activities contribute to mass loss. Every year, around 10,000 tons of satellites, probes, and other human-made objects are launched into space and never return. But Earth also gains mass. Earth is constantly gaining new material from space. Every day, about 100 to 300 tons of cosmic dust and meteors fall into Earth's atmosphere. Annually, this adds up to about 40,000 to 100,000 tons of new material. This process helps balance out some of the mass loss from atmospheric escape. Are other celestial bodies losing mass too? Earth isn't alone in this. The Sun and other planets are losing mass as well. The Sun, through solar wind and coronal mass ejections, loses mass constantly. Though the absolute amount is huge, it's a tiny fraction compared to the Sun's total mass. For planets, the situation varies. Planets like Mars, which have thin atmospheres or weak magnetic fields, are losing much more of their atmosphere than Earth. According to NASA's MAVEN mission, Mars has lost more than 75% of its atmosphere over the past few billion years. This loss turned Mars from a warm, wet world to the dry desert we see today. What about the larger planets? Gas giants like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have powerful gravity and magnetic fields that keep their atmospheres intact. They lose almost no mass. Even Jupiter, which is closer to the Sun than the other gas giants, only experiences minor atmospheric loss despite its exposure to the solar wind. Ultimately, how much mass a planet loses depends on various factors like magnetic field strength, gravity, and distance from the Sun. So, when we add everything up, the total mass lost by Earth each year, from atmospheric escape and space exploration, is about 110,000 tons. The total mass gained from cosmic dust and meteors is about 70,000 tons. In the end, Earth ends up losing an average of 40,000 tons of mass every year. How does this compare to Earth's total mass? Earth's total mass is around 6 exadons. Losing 40,000 tons annually is such a tiny fraction that it's practically insignificant. Compared to the entire ocean, it's like a kiddie pool's worth of water. Or, if Earth were a person, this loss would be like losing just a few molecules from your body. So, what happens if this continues for 100 million years? Still, it's like a person shedding a tiny flake of dead skin. This is so minor that it wouldn't affect Earth's orbit, gravity, or relationship with the Moon. Even after all that time, Earth would still remain virtually unchanged. The Earth, which feels so solid and eternal, is actually changing little by little. Too subtle to notice, but always happening nonetheless.